following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has gotten multiple reports of a strange being soaring through the skies. This being is described as a gray pixelated cat, with a Pop-Tart for the body, and a rainbow coming from behind the cat. It is currently unknown what the creature is, or if it's hostile. All residents hearing this message are strongly advised to stay indoors and to not go outside unless it's an emergency. If you see this creature, do not attempt to shoot it down, as this creature is very large, and can cause damage to structure if shot down. Stay tuned to your local media outlets for more information on this unusual situation.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The creature reported earlier, now known as Nyan, has left the Earth. It has exited our atmosphere, and traveled through space, and is most likely not coming back. All residents are free to continue with their daily lives, as the potential danger is now over. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. All regular programming may now resume.